going on, guys? This video is just going to show you how I've got my motovlogging helmet set up. I know there's a million of these, but this one is mine, so check it out. Alright, here we go, guys. So here is a bit of a detailed look at my motovlogging helmet setup. So, start with the obvious. It's a Simson Ghost Bandit helmet. Now I have changed the visors, both of them. The outside one is the dark smoke, and the inside one I changed to the amber. For if you're riding at night, you can just open that up, fold that down, and away you go. Not that I've ever used that, but it's there anyway. So onto the side, we got the Sena 30K, which I think everyone in the whole world should have one of these. These do have that mesh feature, so you can talk to random people. Of course, I've got a SkidPig sticker on there. But I love this helmet. It is awesome and just looks cool, I reckon. It is a mean looking helmet. So on the front, this is my setup. I've just got a sticky mount there, and it's pretty basic. So I've just got a straight up and then one going off to the side. Now I did change out these big turn things for bolts, so it's not so bulky. The microphone adapter, I've just got zip tied to that because I didn't like the idea of actually velcroing or gluing or whatever, sticking it onto the side of the helmet, because it would wreck the look of it. So GoPro is a Hero 6 Black. I love that thing. It's got the anti-vibration stability control and all that sort of stuff, so that's awesome. Opening it up again, so the microphone, you can see, just goes in, tucks into there, and I've run that wire all the way through and up, and it's tucked in there. You can see the old dead cat fur in there, which I just trimmed that bit down with a pair of scissors so it doesn't tickle your nose. Could probably trim it a bit more actually, but yeah, so that microphone is the giant squid, which seems to be the most popular one for motovloggers, and for good reason. The quality's amazing. So microphone adapter is genuine GoPro. Don't waste your money buying a shit one, so just buy the genuine one. You'll be better off. Get a good quality camera. I just got the 6 because that's the newest one out, so well, you might as well have the best. Now, rolling her over, this. Now, I did steal this idea off Blockhead because he has one of these on his. So this one, I'll put the photo of it up. It says it's unavailable on the photo, but yeah, you get the idea. So literally, it's as easy as that. There's no more buckles, there's no nothing. Best thing I ever did. And the Sena, it has 2 speakers. You can't see them because they're in behind there, but yeah, you just wire them in. So there's one on the left, one on the right. So that's pretty much my setup, guys. So what do you reckon? I reckon it looks pretty kick-ass. Only thing that I should have done is centered the lens of the GoPro slightly over here, so it's exactly in the middle, but it's not that big a deal where I'm gonna change it. But if I ever do put a different sticky mount on, I'll make sure that it's exactly in the middle, just so it looks symmetrical and all that sort of stuff. But rightio, there you go. Cheers, guys. Give it a like if you liked it. Give it that one if you didn't. I know everyone's got their own sort of this is my helmet setup video, but I know mine would be similar to a lot of people, but yeah, this is exactly how mine's done. So, all right, guys, catch you later, eh? See ya.